सफाई कर्मी था जो एक छोटे से कस्बे में रहता था। वो पेड़ों से पानी में गिरे पत्तों और फलों को हटाकर कस्बे में झील की सफाई करता था। जब आसपास कोई नहीं होता तो वो झील से पत्ते साफ करता था, इसलिए लोग उसे काम करते हुए नहीं देख सकते थे। कस्बे के लोगों ने सोचा कि सफाई कर्मी के पास करने के लिए कोई काम नहीं है और उन्होंने अधिकारी से सफाई कर्मी को नौकरी से हटाने का अनुरोध किया। झीलों पर तैरते सूखे पत्तों से झील गंदी होने लगी। जैसे जैसे सर्दी समाप्त हुई और शरद ऋतु की शुरुआत के साथ झीलों के पानी पर बड़ी संख्या में सूखे पत्ते गिरने लगे। लोगों को सफाई कर्मी के काम का आभास हुआ। वे उसे काम पर वापस ले आए।
Hi, welcome to the first episode of Sunday Gupshup. What does the story tell us? The new labor code signifies change in season, the onset of Sarad after the Sardi. The change is huge. Labor codes will touch almost everyone working in any establishment. Let me give an example. Munni works as domestic worker in my house. Like any other domestic worker, she does not have any social security cover. She is among the millions of unorganized workers in India who is left to herself to fend for her illness and old age. The Code on Social Security 2020 has defined unorganized worker and covers home-based worker, self-employed worker and wage worker. It has given the mandate to the government to frame social security schemes for unorganized workers. I got Munni registered under eShram portal. Any unorganized worker in the age group of 16 to 59 years and who is not member of Provident Fund organization can register him or her. Through this portal, the central government is building database of unorganized workers to ensure smooth execution of social security schemes. You just need the Aadhaar number and the mobile number linked to the Aadhaar for registration. The registration is done through OTP based verification. More than 14 crores unorganized workers are registered in the portal till date. Munni will get accidental insurance cover of rupees 2 lakhs and is also eligible for getting pension from the age of 60 years. What a beautiful opportunity for the human resource professionals in India. Like the Safai Karmi of the lake, the human resource professionals with skill in labor codes will be in demand. Isn't it good to pick up the skill or refresh yourself with the new codes if you already have this skill? Let's blog.